a lot buzzing and lot happening in Tamil Nadu. Vijay's swearing-in ceremony was expected to be tomorrow, but there has been some last-minute change. What's really brewing in Tamil Nadu to get us the real picture? Joining us is the DMK MP, Mr. Ganapathy. Thank you so much for joining us. I want to begin by asking you, Mr. Ganapathy, there are a lot of reports that there are talks now happening between AIADMK and DMK. Is that true?
No. I don't think that's happening. That's an interesting rumor going around, being circulated, but I don't think that's happening.
Okay, is there no truth to it? Any talks happening between ADMK, DMK? Were there any feelers from the ADMK for the DMK to have talks? Any such?
What we heard is ADMK is about to be broken or something like that is happening, but not like DMK and ADMK is talking something. That is not possible.
So it's ruled out completely?
It's ruled out.
Okay, because you've been rivals for a very long time, but it would have been quite a surprise for people of Tamil Nadu. But in politics, you never know to keep out Vijay. Is that something that DMK may consider perhaps?
It's an interesting rumor. I don't think that's going to happen.
Not going to happen. Okay, but on the Congress party now formally extending their support to Vijay, how is the DMK viewing it?
According to my personal view, it is backstabbing. They both called brothers and all those things. We stood for it is friendship, calm alliance for over 20 years. So that's being broken. This is a momentary chance. I don't know what the Congress has planned in the future. This BJP government at the central is a minority government. In case if there is any problem, in case of trouble in the central ruling alliance, where will the Congress go? We have more number of MPs than any other party. So this is not a proper wise decision by the Congress.
Okay. So you're saying it's not a wise decision. You also mentioned that they call you a brother. Rahul Gandhi would often call the former Chief Minister, now you can say, or the outgoing Chief Minister Stalin as a brother. So you're saying it's backstabbing. But interestingly, the decision, the Congress party says, has come from the state leadership. They say that it's not a high command decision. They left it to the state. Does the DMK believe that?
No, I personally don't believe it. This is how they put the blame on each other, and they say it is the decision of the local unit. But whatever it is, what is the end of the day, what is that they are going to gain is questionable.
Okay, so it must have come from the High Command, you're saying. Lastly, I want to ask you, Vijay emerged as the single largest party. His party has emerged as the single largest party. How is the DMK viewing it? How much of a shock was it? Because the DMK was dismissing him as just an actor and nothing else.
It was totally a shock that Congress is aligned with the TVK because the result, it is not even a week since the results have come, and otherwise we never expected it.
And TVK's victory was not expected with such a huge margin in the state.
Yes. We thought we will win comfortably because of the ruling, because of the schemes, because everything was going well, and we never expected it.
All right, Mr. Ganapathy, thank you so much for joining us. The next few hours are going to be very, very interesting in Tamil Nadu. Who is going to form the government? Who is going to extend their support? That's the biggest question. We keep you ahead with the top updates from Tamil Nadu. With video journalist Parvez, this is Pratibha for Times Now.